Best unblocked games on school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can play different games on school Chromebook. So for this, I will be providing this link in the description, and you can also just type it up. It is quite easy: home.maths, then a dash and break.com. Quite easy. Just hit enter and you would be able to log in over here. Now just log in or create an account, and you would be able to claim daily rewards over here, and you can also play featured games, and all the applications can be used also. So you would be able to find some good games like Mario and all sort of games. In case if you want to play Minecraft, then just simply open up your browser and type drivemed.me, and over here you would be able to find Minecraft. And in order to play it, just simply open it up, and this is where it will take you. Now just simply click on this option of click to play new, and it will redirect you over here. Now just press any of the key that you want to in order to proceed further, and now it will just show some text, and now you can choose your screen name and your player skin. This way you would be able to play Minecraft. In case if you want to play some other game, then just simply go back and open the very first link. You can also open the other games link over here in order to play other games. And let me open up the other websites or the sites. So these are the top 10 retro games of all time. You can find them quite easily, and this is the game. You can also play this one in case if you want to. Quite easy to play, and you can find it all these games on drivemed.me. In case if you want to play Fortnite, then you need to type Amazon Luna over here and open up the very first link and wait for it to load, as it might take a little while sometimes. After it opens up, you can find some pretty good games, and it is quite easy to use. You can play Sonic, you can play Fortnite, and these are some top level games, and you can even compete with other players. But for this you will require Amazon Prime. In case if you don't have it, then just simply hover around your cursor on any of the game and click on this option of play with Luna Plus, and you can start your 7-day free trial. It is absolutely free, and you can play all these games for free after that. Let me show you how you can do that. Just simply click on this option of 7-day free trial and wait for it to load. Now click over here again, and all you have to do is just add a payment method on your Amazon account, and you can also use your parents' Amazon account, but make sure that you cancel this particular subscription right before the expiry of 7-day trial. Otherwise you will be charged $9.99. So it's better that you cancel it up on time, and after canceling this you would be able to play it for free. And this is how you do it. And in case if you don't want to go with the paid games, then you can just simply play the ones that I just showed you. Minecraft is quite good one, and this one is quite good one also, and you can find some other one over here. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.